These three futuristic trains from China look like they came from the future, but they are real today. The first one is a small worm train. It has no driver and tiny carriages. It moves along narrow city routes like a smart insect, fitting perfectly into busy city areas. It's quiet, efficient, very comfortable for big cities. The second one is the air train in Wuhan. It doesn't ride on tracks, but slides on rails above the streets. You can see the whole city from above. It feels like flying. It's like something from a science fiction movie. The third is a special light railway in Chongqing. It goes right through buildings, cafes, and offices. It's a real transport miracle in a crowded city. Which of these amazing trains would you like to try first? Or maybe you've already ridden one? Share in the comments.